Welcome back as we continue with starter circuit testing. Based on the assumption that we read a voltage lower than battery voltage at the starter main terminal, it means that there could be an excessive resistance either in the insulated line or in the return line. To check the insulated line, connect the voltmeter between the battery positive terminal and the starter main terminal. Again, operate the start switch and observe the voltmeter, which should read 0 on a perfect system. A reading of 0.5 volts or more means a high resistance, which is an indication of a dirty or loose connection, either at the battery or solenoid connection. These conditions should be rectified before continuing with further tests. The next test is made between the main solenoid terminals, connecting the voltmeter as shown across the two. Once more, operate the start switch and observe the meter. A 0 reading means that there is no problem at the solenoid contacts. A reading of 0.25 volts or higher indicates that the solenoid's internal contacts are dirty or burned, and that the solenoid requires replacement. Assuming all is correct on the insulated line, we can progress to check the return or earth line. Step 1 is to connect the voltmeter between the battery earth and a good earth on the starter motor body. Again, operate the start switch and observe the voltmeter, which should read 0. A volt reading of 0.25 volts or higher indicates a fault somewhere in the earth line. The most likely cause is a poor connection of the battery negative to earth. Wherever an engine is supported on rubber mountings, pay careful attention to the bonding strap. A broken strap or dirty connections is often the cause of starter problems. We have now covered a systematic step-by-step procedure for fully testing a typical 12-volt starting system. Obviously, any fault found along the route should also be rectified straight away, as that could be the cause. After the break, we'll offer you some tips on maintenance.